thrilled to show you our brand new feature, which is our image editor. And I cannot wait to get into this and show you just how fantastic this feature is going to be for many of our retailers out there. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudshelf app, either from within your Shopify store, or you can log in via manager.cloudshelf.ai. Once you've done that and you've logged in, you simply need to click into the Cloudshelf experience that you would like to edit your images for. So for today's demo, I am going to click into this lovely jewelry demo that I have already prepared. And as you can see here, we have a bunch of images that we have already uploaded, but they could do with a refresh for sure. And so we are going to start off by clicking into earrings. So I'm going to click on the pencil icon, and as you can see here, we have this image here that I actually uploaded a short while ago because I couldn't wait to try out this new feature. But we are going to add a new image. So now you have this lovely option here that says load image, and it says click, hover and paste, or drag and drop an image file. Okay, so let's say we want to drag and drop an image file. All you simply do is either go onto your website or go onto a image website, let's say for example Unsplash, open it up, and we are going to look for a new image. So I'll type in earrings like so, and then I am going to change it to this image here. So it's a case of copy and literally paste, and oh my god, how quick was that? Within seconds the image has changed. Now there might be enhancements that you'd like to do on this image. So I actually would like this image, because it's my collection image on my home screen, I want it to be square, and I actually want to focus on this part of the photo. Okay, I may want to also go ahead and add a lovely new filter. So there are a bunch of filters here, and you can honestly go wild with this. I am actually going to revert back because I like the image as it is. But you can go in, you can click into all the different image options here. Let's just say you wanted to add an emoji for some reason. You can go ahead and add your emoji like so. For this image, we don't need an emoji, so I'm going to go on to the next option. I actually do want to change the brightness just a tad, so I'm going to adjust the brightness. There you go. And if you wanted to even go ahead and add an image, a frame to this lovely image, you can also do that as well. So the possibilities here are honestly endless. You can do so much around the editing of the image, and that's why we called it the image editor. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that image. There you go. There's the image there. It looks fantastic. You can then go ahead and do exactly the same thing for the attract loop. So if you want to go ahead and add new attract loop options, we already have a portrait and a landscape image here, but you can go ahead and do exactly the same thing. So you can go wild with this. It's super quick, super flexible. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving this, and I'm sure you will too. Now, you can also go to your buyer's guide images, and so let's click into this existing buyer's guide we have here. So we have an earring one, and I'm going to go straight into the questions, and I'm going to go and click on questions. And so what it does here is it actually will suggest an image, and this won't always get it right, but the fact that it does it is superb. So let's say we want it to find an online image. Okay, so we want to get an image that represents sterling silver. And I actually really like this image. So there you go, copy, go back in, paste. There's your image, guys. How quick was that? That was fantastic. I am going to actually make this square as well. And I want to focus it on this part. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. There you go. And you can literally... I didn't actually click save properly there. So let's just go back and copy the image and go. I didn't actually click confirm, so this time we'll do it as it should be done. Save there, confirm. Fantastic, there you go. And then you can just literally move on to the next image. And like I said, it's not always going to get it right, but the fact that right now we're doing this within seconds in real time is fantastic. There's my image there. Go ahead and make it square. Do I want to add a filter? I think I do this time. What filter do I want to add? I actually like that filter quite a lot. Okay, go ahead and confirm. Again, this is so quick in finding you the right images. I like that one. Go ahead and copy. Go ahead and paste it. It's so quick. I love it. Okay, go ahead and confirm. Costume colorful. Okay, I want it to go and find me this as well. This one is a bit different, so I'm going to go for color palette. For example, there are lots of options here. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead, add this image just to show you how quick it is. Again, I'm going to make this square. Okay, go ahead and save, confirm. And look guys, look how quickly, if I just go and save that, and we can go straight into the preview, hopefully in just a moment. I'm going to go and activate that buy guide. But you can see here, just to get an idea, you know, within a couple of minutes and literally seconds for each one, we've been able to go ahead and modify and add images. It's absolutely fantastic. So hopefully this will save you all so much time, and you can go ahead and add beautiful looking images to both your Cloudshelf home screens and also your buyer guides, and for your attract loop as well. Let's not forget the attract loop. So if I go ahead and preview here, you can go ahead and click into earrings now. There you go. There's your buyer guide with those images. How good does that look? And if we just go a step back, that was the image we just changed, but you could do this for all of your images if you like. And there you have it. There is our brand new image editor. It's absolutely fantastic. Please do let us know what you think of it. And yeah, we can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.